Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Toyota Yaris 2014. Basically, the customer has a warning light on the dashboard, but however, customer contact another mobile guy, and he came to the customer house, and he confirming this customer need to do rear both ABS sensor or the bearing because it's inbuilt system. ABS sensor inbuilt to the what you call the hub. Then basically ABS sensor and hub one unit. Basically that mechanic confirmed to him he need to do both side rear wheel bearing. I'm right, yeah? Both side wheel bearing, yeah. Okay, then he came last week. I'll show you what's going on there. Then after that we order the parts. I'm going to start the car. Have a look at the dashboard. Traction control light on and ABS light on and the orange color parking brake sign on. See, when you come into the this side it's red color, that's a normal parking brake. Yeah, like this problem I can't assuming and work. I need to plug in my computer and have a look what's going on there. Right, got the faulty code. It say left rear speed sensor C1467 faulty code. Right, I know the problem. Now we need to go to the live data and have a look what's going with the live data. Right, I got the live data. Now I am going to take a car backward and forward and keep it eye what happened for the rear left wheel speed sensor. You need to focus this bottom number after the highlight one. Right, I'm going forward. Have a look what's going on there. Yeah, you saw all three numbers change and this one something not right. Yeah, next step I'm going to remove the wheel, inspect the wires, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do the next step. But however, at the moment I can confirm this mobile mechanic some reason not give the correct answer for the customer. I don't know what's the exactly the reason, but I feeling it's something not right with this diagnostic at the moment. I can confirm, but however it's too early. I will confirm as soon as once I open that wheel and once I finish the job. Right, as she going to start that job, then we'll see what happened to this car. I'm going to start the car. This is Kia something. You can see ABS light on this side. So similar problem like to the Toyota. Customer bought the part. This is the part, we need to change it. But before that I'm going to plug in my computer and I'll show you what's going on here. Rio. Anti-lock brake system. This car also C1208 left rear wheel speed sensor. Air gap. Right, okay. Basically I don't want to check the live data because customer done the diagnostic with somewhere else and customer bought the part. Basically I'm going to do the this car and that Toyota both rear left wheel speed sensor over the complete hub. Need to release the handbrake before the job. Then after that we need to remove the caliper and leave it as a safer place. You need a number 14 mil socket for the remove the caliper. Then after that we can remove that for nut. It's also the 14. Make sure install and couple of nice tap. Then after that you can break it. Once you break everything, you can use the gun if you needed. Now need to remove rear connector. Need to press this tab, then after that you can remove the connector. You can use reasonable hammer and slightly tap, then it will come out. You can see now it came out. Then we need to separate from the this cover. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spray WD-40 around that area, then after that remove hub from back cover. Right, I'm going to compare new one and old one. Yeah, two pin identically both same. Then I'm going to install new hub. Okay, we change the bearing, basically all complete unit. I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Have a look, still all light on. I feel in this one you can do two things. I don't want to use my computer. I'm going to leave it my computer as it is, and I'm going to take a backward and forward and have a look, is it reset himself, because as a theory it need to be reset once I take it backward and forward. Diagnostic data and try to figure out rear wheel speed sensor work or not. Before you saw it's not working. We'll see now what's going on while I reversing. Still my dashboard all lights on. We'll see what happened to the road test. Right, just hit the 20 miles, all light disappeared. Right, I'm going to stop somewhere now. You can see all light disappeared, all job success. But I'm going to the computer and have a look. Still faulty code there. If it still there, it will delete himself, but it's taken maybe 10, 15, 20 times. We need to start the car, switch off. Because of that, now I'm going to clear this faulty codes. Right, all good, all nice. Yeah, but I don't know what's mobile mechanic said to you. Now you saw what's going on. Yeah, that's why the sometime you anyway you got the correct answer. Right, let's go back to the garage then. Okay, we done the job. You saw all success, because everywhere scammers. Be careful, because I feeling this customer might be going to quote some point, but he away from the problem. Anyway, you know the problem, right? All done, all good, nice. If you have like this problem, you know what to do. This job done, nice and sweet. And also we just start this car job, this job. Then once you finish this car, I'll show you what's the output, but I'm not going to filming anything. I'm not going to show you, but same way, but most cars same similar setup. However, once I finish this one, I'll show you what's the output for this car. See you soon. Right, went to the road test and came. Have a look the dashboard. Light disappeared. Okay. However, I didn't use the computer for this car also well while I took to the road after 20 miles per hour of speed exit, then all light disappeared. Yeah, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. It could be front wheel, it could be back wheel, or it could be the other side, but no need to panic. Follow all basic thing, you get the answer. But before you change the ABS sensor or the bearing or ABS line, make sure check the wiring first. It could be wiring. If it's not wiring, it's 100% your wheel speed sensor or the bearing. You know what to do now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.